season, guys. It is sweater weather, and my favorite drink to drink when I'm wearing sweaters is hot cocoa. So I'm going to show you a healthy version of hot chocolate made with cacao. If you've never had cacao before, it's amazing. It has so many health benefits to it, but by itself, it's a little like dirt. So it's very overpowering if you don't mix it with things. So I make my hot chocolate with cacao because it has a lot of health benefits to it. It's a really big antioxidant, number one. This is the kind of cacao that I like to purchase. I get it on Amazon, and I will put a link below. And the hot chocolate also includes unsweetened coconut milk, and I like this one from Kroger. You can use any unsweetened coconut milk. This one is not overpowering, so it really does not have that coconut taste. And then, of course, some Ceylon Cinnamon. I love to put that in my hot cocoa. And one more item I like to add. I like to add vanilla. I actually forgot about the vanilla, but I'm going to put vanilla extract in my hot cocoa. It's not in my recipe. It's sort of just an addition if you like it or not. So let's grab the hot water. I just boiled some water. I warmed a half a cup of coconut milk in a big measuring cup, glass measuring cup, because I like to put everything in here, and then we're going to blend it with this frother. This is the key. Okay, so let's do a tablespoon of cacao, chocolate cacao, in the coconut milk. Oh, you know what else I need? Maple syrup. That's our sweetener. So maple syrup is my sweetener for everything. Grade A, in case you didn't know, I sweeten everything with maple syrup. Then we are going to pour in half a cup of boiling water to make 1 cup of hot chocolate. Okay. Then we're going to add 3/4 of a tablespoon of maple syrup. You definitely need this because I told you cacao kind of tastes a little like dirt. So this definitely sweetens it up. So 3/4 of a teaspoon of cacao. Sorry, maple syrup. That's what I'm using now. I think I'm mixing up all my words today. A 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon Cinnamon. And then we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Optional. Don't need it if you don't want to. I just like it. So 1/4 teaspoon of that. Then we are going to get our handy dandy frother. You don't need to have a frother. You can use a whisk or a fork or spoon, whatever, but just make sure you whip it up really good. This definitely like mixes it and froths it really well, which makes it taste amazing. I love wearing a nice big bulky sweater and just sipping a nice hot cup of hot cocoa. 'Tis the season. Just let this frother do its thing. Then take your favorite teacup. This is my favorite teacup. And pour in your delicious hot cocoa. You can top it with whatever you want. Maybe you can turn some grass-fed cream into whipped cream if you like. I just eat it just like this. You can sprinkle cinnamon on top if you want, whatever, up to you. But that is how you enjoy a delicious, healthy cup of hot cocoa.